The sticky sweet goodness of honey garlic chicken can be made in the oven on one sheet pan. Your ingredients list is posted below under the description. You'll need 2 pounds of skinless, boneless chicken thighs or breasts cut into bite-sized pieces, 3 cups broccoli florets, and a 1/4 cup cornstarch or potato starch, sesame seeds, 3/4 teaspoon each of salt and pepper, and 2 teaspoons of garlic powder. You'll also need olive oil spray, or you can drizzle it. For the marinade, you'll need a 1/3 cup coconut aminos, 3/4 tablespoons either red chili paste or sweet red chili sauce, 2 tablespoons lemon juice, 2 teaspoons of toasted sesame oil, fresh garlic, 3 tablespoons honey, and chopped green onion. You'll also need hot cooked rice. Start by combining your marinade ingredients in a jar or small bowl. Shake or whisk to combine and set this aside. Line a baking sheet with parchment paper and preheat your oven to 450 degrees. Combine your starch with the salt and pepper and garlic powder. Coat your chicken in batches, placing it on the parchment paper. Then drizzle the broccoli with olive oil, a little salt and pepper, toss to coat the broccoli, and add it to the sheet pan. Then spray or drizzle the chicken with olive oil. Bake for 10 to 15 minutes. Then remove the pan from the oven, turn the broccoli, add the sauce, and sprinkle with sesame seeds. Bake another 5 to 8 minutes or until the chicken is done. Happy healthy eating, and hit the cupcake below to subscribe to receive more gluten-free recipes like this one.